Hi guys, this video is a bit of an unscheduled one. Basically it's to show you a problem that I've been having with my tablet, on my Lenovo tablet. The microphone sound has always been awful, and so I've never been able to use it. So whenever I'm doing an on-screen anything, recording on screen or anything like that, I always have to record the sound separately on my smartphone and then sync it back up with the recording, with my screen recording. So it doubles the work really. I've now found a workaround which I found purely by accident, because Lenovo, in their wisdom, decided they were going to put the microphone right on the top of the tablet. So when the tablet is facing you, the microphone is not facing you, it's facing up. So, and especially if you've got the tablet at an angle to you, it's even worse. The microphone is actually facing away from you. Today I was doing some work on my tablet, and I was doing a screen recording, and for a problem I've had with my disc DJ, and I happened to have my hand on top of the tablet. Didn't think anything of it. When I finished the recording, started playing the recording back, and I suddenly realised that the microphone switched on the screen recorder, but the sound was absolutely crystal clear. I couldn't believe it. I thought, whoa, how does that work out? So I thought, that's interesting. What did I do that's different? I suddenly realised what I'd done. Because my hand was over the back of the mic, it was bouncing the sound of my voice off my hand straight into the mic. Absolutely crystal clear. So what you're hearing now is a slight modification that I've made to my Lenovo tablet. In fact, you can almost not even see it, and I will show it to you right now. Okay, you're looking at it right now. I'm not sure if you can even see it. It is just here. This little rubber cup. So there's my microphone, and I've put that little rubber cup on there, and that has made all the difference. And it's bendy, not a problem, and that gives me crystal clear sound because it's bouncing my voice. So there you go. So if you've got the same problem, that's what you need to do. You need to redirect the sound from your voice straight into your microphone, and you won't have a problem like that again. This video has been useful to you, which I hope it has. Then please give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell. And till next time, take care. Bye.